Welcome to SellerCenter channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to find winning dropshipping products using the TikTok ads library inside SellerCenter. If you're still scrolling TikTok manually to find product ideas, you're wasting hours. TikTok is where trends go viral first, but the key is finding products early, before every dropshipper jumps in. That's why tools like SellerCenter's TikTok ads library exist. It gives you access to millions of real ads, with filters that reveal trending, newly launched, and fast-growing products instantly. Alright, let's jump straight into the tutorial. Go to SellerCenter TikTok ads library. You'll see a clean dashboard with filters for keywords, time range, language, country, material type, engagement, and more. These advanced filters are what make SellerCenter far more powerful than TikTok's official library. It helps you spot competitive outliers, products that perform far better than everything else around them. Inside the SellerCenter TikTok ads library, scroll through the ads sorted by keywords, date range, last 30 days, shop types, Shopify, ad status, active ads only, language, English or the language of your target market, country, media type, choose video. Finally, click the Show Results button. Now, you'll see a list of trending TikTok ads from Shopify stores. Click Sort by relevance. A competitive outlier is when one product's ads massively outperform others in the same category. For example, if most products in a niche get 4K, 10K impressions, but one product has 200K plus impressions with fresh activity, that's a viral candidate. Click into the ad to view full ad creative, popularity, impression, ad duration, likes, ad status, target region, language, creative size, landing page. Ad copy. Winning products often win because of the angle, the demonstration, the problem they solve, the transformation shown, or the emotional trigger. SellerCenter lets you break down exactly why an ad is performing, helping you recreate or reposition the same strategy. And that's how you find dropshipping products in minutes using the TikTok ads library inside SellerCenter. If you want to try it yourself, head over to sellercenter.io/ads. If this helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.